Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be playing Guess the Italian Brainrot Bites.
Bicus, dicus, de bicus, de dicus.
Oh, sorry, that's someone's else.
Le cui spine sono fatte di succose fragole.
Shh. Oh my god, I do not know what that is. Wait, but let's get started. And by the way, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. And I might do a face reveal soon, but yeah, I'm not sure.
Scimpanzini cocosini.
This one? I think I know almost all.
Lirili larila. Elefante.
This one? I'm really good at this, I think.
Brr patapim. Il mio
This one? Ooh, I'm doing really good, guys.
baloni lulilolli. Capibarello cocossini.
Oh, that one?
Scimpanzini bananini. Trulimero trulicina. Il pretiletin in piscina.
Okay.
Frulli frulla. Un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla. Bombombini gusini.
This one? Guys, I think I know which one it is. I think it's this one, but I don't want to say its name because I just found out what it means. Knew it.
Blueberrini. Octopusini.
A lot of people are making their own beer.
Tung 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 tung.
Tung 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 sahur.
Bombardiro crocodilo. Un
Bombardiro crocodilo.
ballerina
Ballerina cappuccina. Me, 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 me. Guys, she is our queen. Look at her. She is so pretty.
Spioniro golubiro.
Spioniro golaniro.
Boneka ambalabu. Entitas jahat yang
Buna. Oh, okay. I don't even know how to say it.
Oi oi oi. Bobrito bondito.
Bombarito.
Bobrini coco cosini. La cocose.
Mini cocosini.
Capu cappuccino assassino.
Cappuccino assassino.
Frigo camelo buffo fardello. Nel centro della città.
Is it like?
La vacca Saturno Saturnita.
Okay, I don't know this. I think it might be this. Yes. This. Next. I think it might be this. No, it's not that. It has to be this. Yeah, it's this next. Next, I think.
Il cacto ippopotamo. C'era una volta un cactus gigante. Ta 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 ta.
Sahur.
Bri bri.
Bri.
Udin din 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 dun.
Din dun.
Ecco cavallo virtuoso, uno show. Glorbo. Frutto
Gorgo. Frutto.
giraffa celeste. Viaggio agreste. Dans la orangutini ananasini. Pup pop.
Rongotini assassini. Oh, I think I know this is this.
Ballerina cappuccina? No.
Cappuccina? No.
Matteo! Ma
Oh.
top toby top toby top toby top.
Top 20.
Bom bom bom. Tigrilini watermelini. Arrar.
Watermelini.
Ballerino lololo.
Ballerina lololo. Okay, I know all of these. I'm pretty sure. I think it's this one. I think it's the one with the open mouth. Chimpanzini bananini. Cappuccina assassino. Ballerina cappuccina. Me. Wait, I forgot this name. The name of this. Wait.
Frigo camelo buff.
Frigo camelo buffarello. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay, guys. I'll just do it like that. I think like shift lock is way more easier to do hobbies and things. Cause see, I'm not even gonna die yet. No! Guys, I just hate whenever I die in obbies. Like, oh my god, I didn't even touch it. Guys, why am I raging? This is just like a fun game, you know? Right? Blue, cyan, green, yellow, red. Where's, oh yeah, orange and then red. It's because that orange was really light. Oh, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Done. Next, okay. Next we go on this one. Go, 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 go. Bro, guys, I can't. My sister pushed her arm, so I fell. Alright, guys, let's hear my sister's ASMR. Yeah, guys, that's some really good ASMR. Also, these are all the brain rot. This is all the brain rot. Let's go on the trampoline. More ASMR. Yeah, guys, that's some really good ASMR. There's our queen again. I think this is like the things, right? Wait. Oh, it's like speed 1, speed 5, speed 10, normal speed, and it's speed 100. And then you just go on this ride with speed 100. But never mind. Okay, guys, let's just go back to normal speed. I do not like speed 100. Speed 100. Why am I so slow? But I just feel slow now. How about I just do speed 25? Yeah, this feels like me now. Alright, guys, I want to go on the fastest one, which is blue. So get over. Oh, let me sit in here. Wee, guys, this is so much fun. Wait, oh my god, what's happening? Alright, did I just stop the ride? Yes, I made the blue one glitch, but I'm wondering if other people can see it. Or now, is that oh wait, I forgot what this is called. Let's change the color. Let's just make it, but you can you change the color? Never mind, but you can't. Guys, it's literally up to my nose. Like, hell no, I'm getting out of here. I can't even breathe. Let's go on the slide. This looks kind of fun. It literally says fun, so I hope it's fun. Wait, what is this? You can't even slide on it, guys. This is the worst slide in the world. By the way. Oh, there's a sword fight. I want to play a sword fight. Bro, what is this then? I thought this was like a, hey, you. Bruh. Alright, whatever. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe. And, yeah. I hope you're having a good day. And let's try to get to 2,000 next time. Bye. I love you guys. Hear this ASMR.